Samsung has just announced its new beast. We are talking about the Exynos 2400. It is curious that Samsung has presented so far in advance this processor because it is expected to be one of the processors that will come to use the Galaxy S24 series. However, it was during the System LSI Tech Day that Samsung presented this new processor. This event was held in San Jose, California, and boasts 70% more performance than the last generation. Although the last generation actually seems to be 2 generations past because it was the Exynos 2200, reminding you that there was no Exynos 2300 that was said to be the processor that was going to integrate the Galaxy S23 FE, but that never happened. So, numerically speaking, they say it's 14.7 times more powerful than the last generation. This new chip brings a GPU based on AMD's latest technologies with its RDNA 3 architecture. The name of the GPU is Xclipse 940. Thanks to the integration of this GPU brings an improved ray tracing, but curiously it could be one of the last processors to integrate a GPU that comes in collaboration with AMD, because recently it was reported that the relationship between Samsung and AMD was about to come to an end, probably because they have not done very well to say. But apparently this processor, in the purest style of Google's Tensor, is not going to focus so much on power but on artificial intelligence, as it will be able to run several models of generative artificial intelligence directly on the device without the need to connect to the cloud. During its presentation, it is said that they did demonstrations of how it can transform text to image, like what we already see in several online services, but this device would be able to do it directly without internet connection. In addition to this processor, Samsung presented some other improvements for its 200 megapixel sensors that will allow a faster capture, also with a faster and more accurate 4x zoom. In fact, they also announced a new processor for cars and another chip for smart devices. Now it's time to wait because it is said that it will be in January the launch of Galaxy S24 series.